Solve the equation below. Which of the following is true? So x squared plus 3x minus 70, that factors to x plus 10, x minus 7. And so then my solutions would be x equals negative 10 or x equals 7. And we should check them. Negative 10 squared plus 3 times 10 minus 70. Does that equal 0? So that's 100 plus 30 minus 70. Oh, that should be a negative 10. So it's negative 30. 100 plus negative 30 minus 70, that is 0. Check. Okay, let's check the 7. So I have 7 squared plus 3 times 7 minus 70. Does that equal 0? So I have 21. Oh, 7 squared is not 21. 7 squared is 49 plus 21 minus 70. So 49 plus 21 is 70. So 70 minus 70 is 0. Check. So those are both solutions. I can eliminate A and B. So exactly two solutions, negative 10 and 7. I see them here and here. That's option C.